Hey guys, I'm making one of my most requested recipes, which is kimis or sabaayad, and it's actually pretty easy to make. All you need is plain flour, make a well and add hot oil. Yep, that's my secret. Make sure it cools down and then get in with your hands and then warm water and flour.
And add salt. I like to add a little bit of Maggi sometimes. Then you want to form it into a ball, cover it with a little bit of oil, and then cover it and leave it to sit for a little bit. I leave it for about an hour or so, and then look how nice and soft it is. Then you want to form it into smaller balls. The amount of balls you end up with really depends on you.
You want to roll them out, add some oil in the middle, and then fold them exactly how I'm doing it. This is what's going to create all those nice flaky layers that we're going to see later on. Leave it to rest, and then now we're going to roll them out pretty thin, ready to be cooked. You want to make sure that the pan is pretty dry to start with, and then you're going to start adding little bits of oil as you cook it. Look at those bubbles. Those bubbles are a good sign. Once the bottom looks nice and brown, that's when you're ready to flip it. And the trick to a really flaky kimis is you want to pat off that oil, and the best word I can describe is scrunch it a couple of times straight into a bowl. And seriously guys, look how soft and flaky this kimis looks. And it's as easy as that. It's a lot less intimidating than it seems. I love this stuff so much. And here I am enjoying it with some stew. This is camel meat in particular.